Hello, and welcome to the Simple Step Show. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn one type of block into another in Notion. Now, this is useful when you change your mind about how something should be formatted. For this example, I'm inside my example Team Sync, and if I go to this paragraph and hover over, you can see those 6 dots. I'm going to click the 6 dots, and from the menu, I'm going to choose Turn Into. Now you're going to see a list of different block types. So I can turn this paragraph into a heading, a bulleted list, a numbered list, a toggle, a quote, and more. For this example, I'm going to turn it into heading 3. Now the paragraph is in a heading instead of regular text. I didn't retype anything, I just changed the block, and I'm going to turn it back into the original text. Now, let's try this with multiple blocks. So under the key points here, I'm going to select these bullets just by clicking and going into an empty space. There we go. Then I'm going to click the 6 dots, and I'm going to turn that into a numbered list instead of a bulleted list. Now you can see automatically turned into a numbered list. I even caught my key points here, which I didn't want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control Z on my keyboard and change those back. And finally, I'm going to turn this paragraph into a toggle. I'll select this paragraph again, go to Turn Into, go to Toggle, and now you can see it's a toggle. I could type something underneath here, and it would hide when I turn the toggle off. So the main idea is that in Notion, you don't need to delete content to start over if you want a different format. You can turn blocks into any other types at any time. And that's how you turn blocks into other types in Notion. Thanks for watching.